So the cases, criminal cases in the High Court are conducted with the aid of assessors, and assessors are members of the public, lay people. They are not lawyers, but they stand in on behalf of the public, and I am going to appoint some to advise the court on whether they will sit through the court process, and they will hear all the evidence, and afterwards, at the conclusion of the case, they will advise me whether from the evidence, from a layman's view, whether it is enough for me to convict you or it is not, and then I will advise that I appeal. I want to also tell you that they do not matter they give me an opinion. I am not bound by their opinion. I can digress from their opinion. I can agree with them. I can disagree or agree with them. If I disagree, I'll give reasons why I am not agreeing with them. So I want you to know that their opinion does not bind the court. Ultimately, the court makes the final decision after evaluating all the evidence that will be adduced as we proceed with this trial. Have you understood that?
Yes, that's my understanding.
So I'll proceed to appoint the assessors. Where do you live?
I live in Nationalist City.
What do you do?
I'm a businessman. Live in Gwabutemu.
Religion?
I'm a Catholic.
Mr. Morgan, you have anything from Mr. Morgan?
My Lord, we have no objection.
Mr. Awerenemba? My Lord, you have no objection. And you, Mr. Holder Richard?
My Lord, no objection.
And lastly, Mr. Okoro, you have no objection to that man advising the court?
My Lord, no objection.
Take off. Please take off.
I, Musana John, swear by the Almighty God that I will well and truly try the issue joined between the Republic of Uganda and the prisoner at the bar and the true opinion given according to the evidence. So I thank God.
Okay, Miss Maria Sofista Sofista. Please repeat your name, your full name, and
My Lord, Ggaba Maria Sofista.
okay, how old are you?
29 years of age. 29 years of age, my Lord.
Where do you live?
Outside the Zambia.
Hmm?
Outside the representative of the district.
Massaja.
Yes, my lord.
What do you do?
I run a phone accessory shop and a mobile bank at this moment.
Could you please speak a little louder than that?
My lord, I'm running a phone accessory shop and a mobile bank agent.
Where do you do your business from?
Lord, my subject is
What's your religion?
I'm a Catholic.
Mr. Mwanga, do you have any objection?
We have no objection, my lord.
That's the same position for Miss Anna.
Lord, no objection.
Miss Sarah Olo.
My lord, you have no objection.
My lord, no objection to the assessor.
Lastly, Mr. Olo, do you have any objection to that?
My lord, no objection.
Look at her. Have you looked at her?
Yes, I've seen that behavior.
Okay.
I, Saint Maria Saint do swear by the Almighty God that I will and truly try the issue joined between the Republic of Uganda and the prisoner Ggaba and the truth in the given according to the evidence. So help me God.
Please have Miss Sandra, Mr. Rachel. Please quote your full name.
Sharif. My name is Idol Sharif,
How old are you?
37 years old.
Where do you live?
I live in Nakawa.
Please speak louder than that.
I live in Nakawa.
Keep going.
What do you want to do?
What are you doing? What do you do?
My business baby.
What do you do in?
I live in retail shop.
I want you to speak louder than that.
I run a retail shop in the Manila zone.
Councilor?
My lord, no objection to the assessment.
I am Mr. Lester, swear by the Almighty God that I will work and still try the issue between the Republic of Uganda and the prisoner Ggaba and the true opinion given according to the issue. So help me God.